Brevo is an email marketing platform that offers comprehensive tools for creating, sending, and analyzing email campaigns. Here's a concise guide on how to use Brevo for email marketing. Sign up and set up. Create an account on Brevo's website. Complete the setup by providing necessary business details and verifying your email. Create a contact list. Import contacts manually or upload a CSV file. Segment your contacts based on criteria like demographics, behavior, or engagement for targeted campaigns. Design your campaign. Choose from Brevo's templates or create your own using the drag and drop editor. Customize the email with your content, images, and links. Personalize emails using contact attributes. Send your campaign. Choose your recipients by selecting the contact list or segments. Schedule the email or send it immediately. Use A/B testing to optimize subject lines and content. Analyze performance. Track open rates, click rates, bounce rates, and other metrics via Brevo's analytics dashboard. Generate detailed reports to understand your campaign's effectiveness and areas for improvement. Automation and optimization. Set up automated workflows for welcome emails, follow-ups, or abandoned cart reminders. Continuously test and tweak your campaigns based on analytics for better engagement and conversion.